Hey everyone, Jim with Evolution Power Sports. Today we're going to talk about the Polaris Xpedition Turbo Kit, designed by our crew down in Phoenix, Arizona. They did a great job with this kit. This car is really cool because it came to us like this, so we could really show off, the entire kit without any of the firewalls or anything in place. But I assure you, everything fits as it should. The first thing we kind of want to talk about is the turbocharger, okay? And you'll see when we do the dyno pull how responsive the turbo is. Like, we can't even keep these tires from slipping on the drum because it's that responsive. And it's because of the turbo design. It's a cast-in manifold type, specifically designed for the Polaris Twin, and the packaging is just amazing. Intercooler, right, to keep your intake temps in check. Intercooler, is OEM style and fitment and location. All silicone charge tubes, great 2.5-inch exhaust, blow-off valve, everything you could possibly want, and a 40+ horsepower increase over stock, which is huge. Okay, these are big, heavy cars. They're not a lot of fun to drive, especially when you deck them out, but with the turbo kit, they're a blast to drive. All right, so as you can see, we did 2 back-to-back dyno pulls at about a little over 8 pounds of boost, 142 wheel horsepower. Stock was 98, so we're talking about a 44 wheel horsepower increase over stock. That's like bolting on another cylinder onto that engine. It's that noticeable. And you could hear the tires squealing. I mean, it's so responsive that, it just lights up the tires even on the drum without a lot of load on it either. So great kit, runs perfect, starts perfect. And if you're looking to make your Xpedition really what it should have been, they should have put the turbo motor in it from the factory, but now you're gonna have an even better turbo setup because you got, the higher compression motor, which is super responsive, and the cam package coupled with the EVP Paragon Turbo, and now it's like next level performance. So get on the waiting list. It will be available early December.